Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this JF.EGWO 3000 milliampere car jump starter, and additionally an air compressor. It's a 2-in-1. Oh wait, a little bit, 3-in-1. Oh no, it's a 4-in-1 device. Yeah. 150 psi tire inflator with digital screen pressure gauge, and 24,000 milliampere hour 12-volt auto battery booster. You can crank start your car up to 9-liter gasoline and 8.5-liter diesel engine. And on top, it's a power bank with 2 USB ports. And additionally, we have a torchlight, 2 LED beams included. JF.EGWO 3000 ampere car jump starter uses a high-speed polymer battery instead of a normal starter. With the super 3000 amp peak and a 24,000 milliampere hour capacity, it is easy to start a 12-volt vehicle, RV, tractor, lawnmower, or a speedboat, up to 55 times. Whoa! The built-in smart battery air compressor comes with an LCD to read tire pressure when connected to our tire. And the 150 psi air compressor comes with an extensional air hose for air inflate needles and for us to inflate car tires, bike tires, airbags, kayaks, sports balls, swimming pools, and pumping products. We have to like the summer with that, because in the wintertime it's a car jumper, and in the summertime it's an inflator. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. It can pump up standard tires in 4 minutes only. It can last 45 minutes, but it stops every 10 minutes to cool down the air pump, okay? And we have preset the value we want to the air compressor, and then it will automatically shut off when the pressure is reached. So we don't have to worry about overinflating or low tire pressure anymore. The built-in digital gauge with the LCD screen and plus minus 0.5 psi accuracy supports to follow the inflating process clearly in 4 options: units, psi, bar, kilopascal, kilogram per square meter. And we have super power 24,000 milliampere hour lithium-ion rechargeable battery here with 2 USB ports that can charge the pad, the phones, and all kinds of smartphones, and built into LED emergency lights with 3 modes, light, flash, and SOS, can be light up for more than 120 hours after a full charge. Wow, that's really cool, because this is a big bunch of possibility what JF.EGWO gives us. This is a US-based leading electrical product company. They have devoted themselves to provide customers with excellent jump starter products. Changing the way to travel is the mission which could maximize driving convenience in order to improve living standards. It can help us in any case, adventure, outdoor, commute, or emergency, of course. And we will get everything what we need. We will get, of course, the JF.EGWO jump starter. We get the battery clamp cable, an air hose extended with replaceable nozzles, a 12-volt DC car charger, a 15-volt 2-ampere home charger, and a nice case. The jump starter output is 12-volt. The battery type is a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. USB output is 5-volt 1-ampere. The air compressor 35 liters per minute. Input is 15-volt 2-ampere. Storage temperature is from -40 degrees Celsius up to 60. And the size is 15.6 to 15.2 to 8 centimeter. These are 6.57 inches up to 5.98 to 3.15 inches. And the weight is 2.67 pounds. These are around about 1.2 kilograms. We have everything what we need. Easy peasy on the screen, on the area. Whoa, that's really cool. We have a 12-volt jump starter port. The exit of the air hose is easy to attach, of course. We have an air compressor switch, an LCD compressor, and power button, of course, an LED power screen, a non-slip mat, an air hose storage, an air hose, USB ports, input ports, output ports, and the LED light. Woo. We press the power button to check the power level. The screen will turn off automatically in 2.5 minutes. We recharge the unit immediately when the display flashes 25%. We can't turn the unit on when it has run out of power, of course. The battery level is displayed at an interval of 25%, as shown on our screen. When we receive the unit and it may less than 50%, we have to full recharge it before first use. The total charging time ranges from 4 up to 6 hours. Equipped with overcharge protection, the device will not be damaged even during standard charging, of course. We do not charge other devices while the product is being charged. When the unit is changed, the icon in will flash. Even if the screen displays 100%, we continue charging until the AN stops flashing. This indicates that the item is fully recharged. And the two USB ports can charge all kinds of 5-volt USB devices such as smartphone, Bluetooth devices, and more. And the 2.1 ampere USB power port can charge faster with that. And we long press the power button to turn on the light. We press the power button on at the time to select strobe mode, SOS mode, or turn off. And we charge the item for 6 hours before first use, of course. And then we can use it really peasy easy. We make sure that the power in the unit is at 50% or more. We plug the cable into the unit, the jump port on the left. And we clip the clamps to the battery terminals, with the red one on plus and the black one on minus or ground. And we make sure that they don't touch each other, of course. We start the car. Once started, remove the cables from the unit, then remove the clamps from the battery. We should wait more than 1 minute between multiple starts, of course. If we like to inflate, we press the power button to switch it on, and we take the hose out of the bottom. We screw the hose to the tire valve system, and then we guarantee the pressure will be displayed. We press the unit until the screen shows PSI, KPA, and so. The default and start the pressure is 40 PSI. We press plus or minus to change the pressure. We wait until the display stops flashing. Then we flip the switch to 1 to start the inflating process. The screen will show the progress automatically. Once it reaches the preset pressure, the unit will shut off automatically. Then remove the hose and store it in the back. That's JF.EGWO 3000 ampere car jump starter with air compressor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.